In this lesson, we're going to continue learning how to replace text using regular expressions. This time, we're going to write a PHP program that accepts a social security number as a string of all digits and then adds a dash into the appropriate place to make a social security number. So there'll be a dash after the first 3 digits and then a dash after the second 2 digits. So what you see on your screen is the beginning of the PHP program that I've written. I've taken the PHP program we did previously for email addresses and simply modified it to where now it accepts a social security number and indicates so. So what we want to do first of all is write a regular expression to capture the social security number in the appropriate parts. In other words, we want to capture the first 3 digits as the first part, the second 2 digits as the second part, and then the last 4 digits as the third part. And then we're going to use something called back references to reconstitute the social security number with dashes in the appropriate places. So first of all, let's write our regular expression for that. Start off with a slash for the delimiter, then a \b to indicate we want to start at the beginning of a word or string. Then we're going to create a group. And what we want to do is we want to create a group that captures the first 3 digits. So we write \d brace 3 close brace. And that becomes our first group. Then we're going to write the second group, similarly, \d, and this time 2 in curly braces to indicate the second 2 digits. And then finally, \d brace 4 to indicate the third group, and then a \b, and then a slash to end the regular expression. So again, our first group is going to capture the first 3 digits. The second group will capture the next 2 digits, and then the third group will capture the last 4 digits. And we need those because we need to know exactly where to place the dashes. And the way we do that is that when we create groups like this, we can have something called a back reference. And a back reference is simply a number that references the group that was captured by the regular expression, the order of the groups. So my first 3 digits is group 1, my second 2 digits is group 2, and my last 4 digits is group 3. So to create the replacement regular expression, I'm just going to write $1 because that's what you need to indicate it's the group, dash for a literal dash, followed by $2 to represent the second group, then a literal dash, and then $3 to represent the third group or the last 4 digits. Then finally, we need to execute the regular expression. So we're going to use a PHP function, preg replace, to do that. And the arguments to preg replace are the regular expression, which we've stored in $pattern, the replacement expression, which we've stored in $replacement, and then the string subject, which we've stored in $SSN. And then to see that it worked, I just simply have it echoing back to the form. So let's save that file, bring up a web browser, call our program. So let's type in a social security number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then click Submit Query. And there you see that it returns that string with the dashes in the appropriate place. And that would work with any set. We can do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 2. I just kind of ran out of numbers there. And you see that it puts the dashes in the correct place. So let's look at that regular expression one more time. It's really not a very difficult one. We simply use grouping to capture the first 3 digits, the second 2 digits, and the last 4 digits, and then use back references $1 dash $2 dash $3 to reconstitute the social security number. So that wraps up this lesson on replacing text, and we're going to move on to another example, this time using C#.